London and the Thames. A love story as old as the city itself. This river isn't just water, it's a timeline of London's history, dotted with landmarks that make even the most seasoned traveler whip out their camera. Today, we're taking a stroll along the Thames, where past meets present, and good walking shoes are highly recommended. Let's go! Our journey begins at Tower Bridge, London's most Instagrammed landmark, and for good reason. With its neo-Gothic towers and glass walkways, it's as much a feat of Victorian engineering as it is a selfie magnet. And yes, the bridge still opens for boats, which is both practical and wildly entertaining. Feeling brave? Head up to the glass floor walkway for a bird's eye view of London and a chance to test your fear of heights. Spoiler alert. The view is worth it. Just a stone's throw away is the Tower of London, because nothing says Riverside charm like a fortress full of ghosts and crown jewels. As you stroll westward, the Thames path transforms into a living museum. On one side, you've got centuries-old buildings whispering stories of the past. On the other, modern skyscrapers shouting, "Look how shiny we are." It's a classic London juxtaposition, and we love it. Case in point, the HMS Belfast, a World War II warship turned floating museum. Climb aboard for a dose of naval history, or just admire it from the shore while you sip your overpriced coffee. Next stop, Shakespeare's Globe, a faithful reconstruction of the original theater where the bard himself once wowed Elizabethan audiences. Fun fact: back then, a ticket cost a penny, but you also risked catching the plague. Today, it's safer and slightly more expensive. Catch a play here, and you'll be treated to an open-air experience that's equal parts drama and nostalgia. Or take a guided tour to learn why Shakespeare's legacy still looms larger than the London Eye. Pro tip: don't leave without quoting at least one line from Hamlet. It's practically a requirement. Keep walking, and you'll spot the Tate Modern, a former power station turned contemporary art haven. Inside, you'll find works by Picasso, Warhol, and the occasional piece that makes you go, "Wait, is this art?" Answer: yes, it is. The Turbine Hall is the crown jewel, a massive space that houses installations so bold, they make the building's industrial past look quaint. And the best part? Admission is free, so you can save your pounds for the gift shop. Cross the Millennium Bridge, also known as the Wibbly-Wobbly Bridge, after its famously shaky debut. Don't worry, they've fixed it, mostly. Now, it's one of the best spots for a photo op, with St. Paul's Cathedral at one end and the Tate Modern at the other. Symmetry goals achieved. Pause here for a moment and soak in the view. On a clear day, you'll see the Shard glinting in the distance like London's own glassy exclamation point. Our walk ends at the London Eye, the city's iconic observation wheel. Standing at 135 meters tall, it's basically London's slowest moving thrill ride, offering panoramic views that stretch for miles. Each rotation takes about 30 minutes, giving you plenty of time to spot Big Ben, Buckingham Palace, and maybe even the pub you'll hit afterward. And yes, it's touristy, but some things are worth the hype. But the real charm of a Thames walk lies in the little things. The street performers serenading you with surprisingly good music. The pop-up food stalls tempting you with smells you can't resist. And the benches, perfect for sitting back and realizing, I'm in London, and it's pretty amazing. From medieval towers to modern marvels, the Thames is more than just a river. It's the lifeblood of London, weaving the city's history, culture, and charm into one unforgettable journey. So put on your comfiest shoes, grab a coffee, or a pint, and let the river guide you. Trust me, it's worth every step. Discover London's riverside magic. Start your walk along the Thames today.